The what now?
This building, the blue, this one, to Greece.
How many supports is that gonna take?
I don't know. Probably
Probably
it
a
has.
lot.
It's. I don't know what are these.
What the heck?
The London, the run, the Gherkin from London.
No.
The Villenborg Stellili.
I don't know what this stuff is, man.
The Alf-Dophe Bridge. What?
I have the Golden Gate Bridge. I don't need more bridges right now. You copied my outfit.
3D map of ancient city in South Korea.
South Korea. Wait, let me see.
South Korea.
South Korea where? Oh, the whole city. Haha, no. I don't want my room to have South Korea cities all over it.
I do. Just kidding.
What? That's not.
Where'd it go?
Girl, you're
Okay, I guess it. Whatever.
What the? No, I don't.
Bro,
The
this is
Space
so
Needle
annoying.
in Seattle.
The space what?
The Space Needle in Seattle.
No.
Jeez, that sounds.
It
Some
sounds
pieces want your thing. I could
Yeah,
I could
you
put
know,
a car showroom.
I expect pieces to be flying everywhere. I'll just clean
I
it
could
up.
get
when I'm
you.
done. Ooh, that's not good.
I could bring you a Monopoly board.
Dude, I don't play Monopoly. It takes way too long.
The Manhattan Project.
Oh, heck no. Did I just break it?
No, you broke support.
Okay.
Oh, that thing's bending.
It's bending, but I don't think it's breaking, right?
Here, I'll put you the Manhattan Project.
You know what? We should do the London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down.
How about the Manhattan Project?
Okay, yeah, it was just the supports. What does that look like?
What? It's a
Huh?
bunch.
What? You want me to print a whole city?
Yes.
I don't know, man.
It's called the Manhattan Project.
I'm scared. I don't want this to break. I already broke some of these.
Geez, so many parts of the stupid the London Bridge, you said?
The London Bridge is falling down.
Yeah, I'll give you a phone booth.
Oh.
I'll give you a London phone booth.
You know what? Yeah, let's do that.
Wait, what? Actually?
Go ahead.
Wait, actually?
Make it red.
Wait, are you actually?
There's a police box.
A police
Oh, I
box.
know you're trying to get it. Oh, I know what you're talking about. I found the bridge. You got that. I can get you the crown.
The crown.
Henry's. What's
It's just
V?
gonna be
What's V?
some-
What's V in with 3 eyes?
What's what?
What's the Roman numeral with one
V
V
with
and
3 eyes? I don't know. 8?
28th.
What is the V? Is the V like 5 or
I don't know.
or is it? I
That
think
sounds
I don't know.
weird.
I
I
think
think
it's
you eat the gherkin
it's
skyscraper.
8.
I could get you stuff from London.
Stuff with what?
Charles Darwin.
I don't care. Chop. Why?
Oh no, someone.
We're almost there.
So, do
Or
you
like
want the
half-
phone booth or the bridge?
Huh?
The phone booth or run the bridge.
Both.
The London Bridge is supposed to have a lot of sports like that.
Then
I can eat the gherkin.
I don't.
The gherkin.
Do you know how many supports that's gonna take?
Okay, let's think.
Every single thing is gonna be like this. I'm not gonna be able to get any of that.
Okay,
out.
are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure about that. No, I'm not sure about
Oh, there's 2 parts to this. There's 2 parts to this. Huh?
that. This kid.
Oh crap! I don't want my Google Drive. Hell no.
Uh-huh.
But new. The gherkin. This just sounds really bad.
It sounds really bad, but we're getting there.
The gherkin. You know what the gherkin is? It's a famous villain. You know they pick all that up when you're done, right?
I know.
Hey, are you working on something? Okay.
Oh, that's gonna be so. Oh, that's oh.
Just listening to like rock.
Okay, that's you're right. I think that's how it has a lot of support. So I'll put you a phone booth
All right.
instead of this stupid gherkin.
How long is it gonna take? Let's see. Well, at least it's all gone somewhere.
This filling part. Why there's so many? Oh, there's one that's hollow, no one or hollow or filled.
Filled with what?
Like pre-made stuff. Like doing like a doing like
What do you mean?
like this. Do you want it like this?
Like that?
Like this?
Or what do you mean?
Or this?
Or no? Okay, do it empty.
Okay.
No.
So that'll be telephone booth 5.
It's
Cancel.
not good. It's not coming off.
Okay, we have like 6 minutes.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Snap out of it, bro.
The gherkin.
The gherkin. That sounds
I
funny.
could pre
The
Mount
gherkin.
Rushmore.
You what?
Mount Rushmore. Do you want heads in your room?
I don't think I want old dudes' heads in my room. Okay? I don't want to wake up
Okay.
to 4 presidents in a rock.
In the rock.
In a rock. In a mountain.
There we go.
Granite.
And then, let's promise. I hope it's.
Okay, let's not break this now.
Okay.
Come on, buddy.
Okay. This. Okay. How much support do you think we'll have
For what?
for the phone booth?
It better not have a lot, bro. It's gonna have some inside, but I don't know how I'm gonna take that out. How would I take it out if it's in the middle?
Oh, that's not it.
It's so fragile, bro. Like, I can't.
Oh my god. I think you should do the other version.
Let me
wanna-
see.
this-
Wait, let me see what the supports.
Oh, oops, I turned off the monitor. I turned off the monitor. Hello?
Okay, buddy.
There you go. This is what you're looking at. Oh, it's above your pay grade. I mean your time grade.
For supports?
All of that.
Okay, well, why are you making it so big?
It's the biggest it can be.
I don't want it the biggest it can be. I want
Why?
it to be small. This is the biggest it can be lengthwise. So it's still small. But
Okay.
I don't need like that whole thing, but
Okay, you don't need the whole thing? Okay. Okay. Okay.
I think I'm just gonna
Leave it.
What? No.
Okay.
Not yet. Okay, I think should I leave it like that? The legs are gonna look
That's up to you.
kind of wonky.
You have 4
Well,
minutes.
yeah,
to
it's
decide
up
about
to
it.
me. Huh?
You have 4 minutes.
Okay.
But that still supports? Oh my gosh. Do you know those were
Dude, this has been going for like 10 minutes, and then this is just for the middle part too.
okay. Here you go, Autumn. This is your phone booth.
My
You-
phone booth. Is it gonna look scary? What did you do?
Okay, I made it stretch it too wide. There you
Make it smaller.
go. Okay.
Dude, I don't.
How upside down?
That's gonna take more supports.
Did you just fling back at you?
Golden Gate
How about
Bridge.
this big? This size?
Yeah. What would that be?
I have no clue.
How long is it? How long is it gonna take for that size?
It'll have supports though.
How long is it gonna take for that size?
Don't mind the 11-hour one. That's the one that was wrong.
11 hours
there's no
for that big
supports
one.
for this.
Really? Bro, because
It
it's
takes
filmed.
1 hour and 54 minutes.
Okay, I'll do that.
1 or 2 hour. Tiny bit bigger.
No. It's fine like that.
Okay, you gotta wait on the printers. You wouldn't wait on the printer.
Okay, buddy.
The second part of the tampon box is printing.
The tampon
Dispenser.
dispenser. Some tampon box.
Who's making it?
Noelia.
Yeah, her.
She's making it for some student projects.
So I'm gonna. Well, you're in a line right now for the printer. In a line.
In a line? How long's the line? It works. Okay.
I don't know, there's like 3 people ahead of you.
For how long?
You have to sign up.
Yeah, how long are theirs?
Right there.
4 hours? 2 hours, 40 minutes? Bro, these people are crazy.
It is on the very bottom.
Around 1 hour, 54 minutes.
Why have you been waiting on the whole thing?
Why am I what?
Why have you been
Because why not?
Oh, the bin.
I'm not going to class yet.
Do we have enough red?
Yes, we have a
Okay.
whole new thing. Yes.
Oh, you gotta know.
Yeah, because the other ones didn't have much on them, so just say telephone box.
Telephone booth.
Just leave the date on. Just leave the note. Don't put a date there yet.
Okay.
Why are you recording yourself?
Because I was recording doing this. Also, I figured out how to get these off.
So here's the list. Pull the weight button.
The bell rings at like 11:16.
Huh?
The bell rings at like 11:16.
Like this is the week that. Okay, you need to sign out this computer.
This week is crazy for people.
For printing.
I don't know why
You're done.
everyone
You're
is.
done.
Chill out, bro. Chill out.
You're done.
I know where these go. I'll put them back. Okay, you don't gotta take the whole thing away.
You already have what you need.
No, I need the hammer.
Okay.
She needs your hand.
Thanks, bro.
Hi, you.
Huh?
So you're only a little while for your telephone booth.
Are you leaving?
Bro, look at
Yes,
that.
it's flat.
Where are you going?
My third
It's-
period.
The bell rang.
Where?
Yes, it's
I was
upstairs.
not.
Upstairs, here, or down? You're always
2 minutes
going
to the
downstairs.
bell.